Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. I know it's been a while since I had uploaded any video as kids were having their exams and me sitting with them and taking their studies besides my schoolwork and doing all the household chores. Quite a hectic schedule. But somehow managed to take a short video of traditional fish curry which you would be seeing it later in this video. So friends, last month had bought a bird feeder which you all can see on the top, that pink color one, and the smaller one that was a try, just made it from a waste plastic bottle. Actually was feeling very happy to see the free birds enjoying the relaxing time in my balcony. Feeding birds will give you all the opportunity to observe the wonders of the nature, taking a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life and enjoying the relaxing and chirping sounds of the birds, and the happiness you get by feeding the birds will take your satisfaction to the next level. Feeding birds is not just a hobby, it is a pleasing activity that anyone would love to do every day, isn't it? Friends, the best thing to do in this summer is to provide some clean water and food to these birds. Let us give them an opportunity to thrive in this season. So friends, do watch the video of the traditional fish curry and give your valuable feedback.